English grammar. Today we are going to learn about singular and plural. First we will see definition of singular. A noun denotes only one person or thing that time that is called as singular number. And opposite of plural, a noun that denotes more than one person or thing that is called as plural form. First we will see first rule of singular and plural. First rule, most nouns form the plural by adding yes to the singular form. Means some words when in singular form converted into plural form, that time no change in word, only add yes at the end. For example, here fruit, fruits, no any change in word, add only yes. Toy, here toys. House, houses. Photo, photos. Journey, journeys. Means look here students, here given words are same. Means in singular form given words fruit, toy, house, photo and journey. But when given these all words converted into plural form, that time only add yes. Means formula of this rule, given word plus yes. In plural, fruits, toys, houses, photos and journeys. Means what is the formula? Given word plus yes only. No any change in given word. Like this. Next, second rule, nouns ending in x, sh, yes or ch form, their plural by adding es to the singular form. Means what students? Here, look this all words. First box. Box word end with x. Here bush. Bush word is end with sh. Class. Class word is end with yes. Bench. Here bench word is end with ch. Means when any noun ends with x, sh, s, ch, that time add only es at the end of word in plural form. For example, box, boxes. We add here only es. Why? Because box word ends with x. And what is our rule? When noun ends with x, sh, yes or ch, that time add only es. Means rule is given word plus only es add. Bush, bushes. Class, classes. Bench, benches. Means first write word and add only es in plural form. Here box ends with x, write down first box and add only es. Like this, bush, write down first bush word and add only es. Why? Because nouns ends with x, sh, s and ch. Means here formula is given word plus es. Now we will see third rule, nouns ending in y and preceded by a consonant, drop the y and add ies to singular form. Means here look at these words. First word is lady. What is our rule? Given word, then remove y and add only ies. For example here, lady, but in plural, ladies. Fairy, in plural, fairies. In singular, country, and in plural, countries. Means what is our rule? First given word, then y converted into I and add only es. Now we will take one example. baby. Okay, baby. First, Y converted into R and add only ears. Baby, babies. Like this, salary. Here also, Y converted into first I and add only ears. Means students, when nouns ending in Y but preceded by consonant, not always, only preceded by consonant, that time rule, what is our rule? Given word plus Y converted into I plus es. Like this, ability, abilities, salary, salaries, bakery, bakeries, country, countries, ferry, ferries, lady, ladies. Means Y remove and instead of Y use I plus es. Okay, now we will see fourth rule. Nouns ending in Y and preceded by a vowel. Vowel form their plurals by adding s to the singular form. Means first we will see examples. In singular, monkey, and in plural, monkeys. In singular, key, and in plural, keys. In singular, chimney, and in plural, chimneys. Means when given nouns ending in Y and preceded by a vowel. Here, E is vowel, E is vowel, and here also E is vowel. Means when noun ending in Y and preceded vowel, that time add only s at the given word. Means end of the word add only s. No change in given word. Look here, no change. Any key, write down word first key and add only s. Here also write down first given word chimney and add only s. And here also write down first given word monkey and only add s. Means what, students? When nouns ends in Y and preceded by a vowel, that time what is our rule? Given word plus yes only. And when nouns ending in Y but preceded by a consonant, that time what is our rule? Given word and Y converted into I plus es. Students, in this way, today we have learned singular and plural forms 4 rules.